Hello friends, dear teachers and students. Really I am very thankful to everybody. Dear friends, we are enjoying various chapters, poems here. Friends, today in this video, we are going to discuss very great and motivational speech or essay, Youth, written by Bhagat Singh. Dear friends, we know that Bhagat Singh is entitled as a Shahid-e-Azam of India, who born in 1907 and died or hanged by the then British government in 1931. Friends, the revolutionary youngster who has created his own history in revolutionary moment of Indian freedom fighting. He has sacrificed his life for upliftment or for freedom of India. Hence freedom. Hence friends, in age of 23rd or who lived just 23 and a half years life but become lighthouse of freedom fighters of India. Not only for freedom and freedom fighters, he is not only Shahid Martyr Bhagat Singh, but he is also a revolutionary lighthouse for everybody. Friends, the person, the boy who has a legacy from his family, whose parents means his father Kishan Singh and uncle Ajit Singh were from Gadar party, which is internationally acknowledged political movement, which is for overthrow the British rule from India. In that regard, we found, if you read Bhagat Singh's biography, then we found Bhagat Singh was fully influenced by Indian freedom. But friends, he was very badly hurted by Jallianwala Bagh massacre and Gurudwara Nanak Sahib massacre, where thousands of unarmed innocents were murdered by the British army. And he was inspired by the revolutionary thoughts of an Italian politician, journalist, activist, Giuseppe Mazzini. Friends, as far as Bhagat Singh's work or contribution is concerned, he was responsible to found out his own socialist organization called Naujawan Bharat Sabha. At the same time, he joined Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, HSRA, with prominent leaders like Shivram Rajguru, Sukhdev Thapar, Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil, and Shahid Ashfaqullah Khan. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है. This was the slogan before all these youths, and hence they are the real idols of you and me and all youngsters. Friends, as far as Bhagat Singh's contribution is concerned, he wrote various essays in Urdu, Punjabi, Hindi newspapers, which were published from Amritsar, such as Kirti or Veer Arjun, but he has used various pseudonyms for his publication like Balwant, Ranjit and Vidrohi. Friends, apart from that, apart from Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Bhagat Singh was badly or become very angry with the then British government. Why? Because in Simon Commission, Lala Lajpat Rai were badly wounded in lathi charge and he died. And then Bhagat Singh had changed his mentality and he became a revolutionary, and he shouted the slogan Inqilab Zindabad. And in that regard, Bhagat Singh has devoted his life for freedom of this great India. But friends, unfortunately, we found that there are the three martyrs. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru were sentenced to death by hanging. After appealing to Privy Council, mercy appeal before Viceroy was useless. And finally, on 23rd March 1931 at 7:30 p.m. in Lahore jail, the three revolutionaries, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru were hanged till death. But friends, these three deaths had created chaos in India, against the British unjust government, and it was the great sacrifice of true patriot youths. Bhagat Singh's martyrdom is counted as equal to Indian freedom. He is the source of inspiration for everybody, forever built the nation. Friends, Bhagat Singh has not only a martyr, but he has created a great history before you and me, and due to that we found that Bhagat Singh's every writing or every activity is very great one. Friends, in this essay, Youth, which is originally written in Hindi, entitled by Yuvat by Bhagat Singh, which is fully emblemed with symbols and tokens about the beautiful, gifted, youthful life. What is youth? Bhagat Singh has fired with revolutionary thoughts for freedom of India. At the age of 18, he has written such a mature and legendary essay to inspire the youth of India. Why? You know that, friends, Swami Vivekananda always says that if you want to count the contribution of every nation, then just you have to count the contribution of youths, and then definitely you will get the contribution of that country. In the present essay, we found that it is the outcome of readings and awareness about concerning human life. The youthful age from 18 to 25 is the only great weapon in the hands of youth by which he or she can turn into a paradise. Dear friends, I know that all listeners are very young. They are between 18 and 25. Yes, friends, this is the weapon. Youthfulness is weapon in your hands, and you can change your life into paradise. Youth is the spring of life in which everybody can endeavor the fragrance of the grand actions towards the victorious life. The youth intoxicates human life and renovates human vigor into genuine creative prowess. Yes, friends, it is Jaspin episode of human existence which orders the universe with volcanic power of novel, innovative dreams. Yes, friends, you are like a volcano. You are like a power of innovative dreams. Youth is the grandeur of the glowing dawn of life which glimpses the dark night into George's glossy sunrise. Youth is the autumn of life which has to sprouts the exuberant life. It is the age like the bomb or loaded revolver or sword in the hands of a lover of war, and it depends on the user how and where to use its control. Yes, friends, Bhagat Singh has compared youthfulness with various symbols. The life from 16 to 25 is the skin and bone box which everybody has to alter it from turmoil into serene life. It is a great chapter of life where our boat is in the center of the thunderstorm and everyone has to control and negotiate with the futuristic vision of the lighthouse life. There are only two ways to before youth. Whether he or she has to venture for the triumph or fall into the valley of the chasm. It depends on youth whether to build the life as an ascetic or angel, otherwise to destroy the life as a sensualist or demon. Bhagat Singh has used the symbol like youth is the lines on the forehead of the war goddess for the youthful life. The youthhood is the splendor of the free nation and the sign of the victorious freedom. It is the stubborn and towering waves of the tidy ocean. Friends, Bhagat Singh has mentioned that youthful life is like Bhishma's oath chapter of Mahabharata, Ravana's valiant arrogance, or Prahlada's determined satyagraha for the concrete ambition of the life. Yes, friends, these three mythical figures used by Bhagat Singh, Bhishmacharya, then Ravana and Prahlada. It can be the first lesson of sacrificed ideal life. Every youth is the exceptional poet of the beautiful life who can create and sign the songs for the new horizons by unlocking the brave young heart. Youth is the grandeur of God's creation by which the world can experience the melodious songs and serious waves on the new panorama of the splendid and fired life. The youth life is free from all worries of life, and he or she can enjoy flowering spring bird's life. Your youth can live for the upliftment of the society, or work for oppressed people, or play the expertise role on the vast stage of the universe. The sky is limit for every youth of the world. Friends, Bhagat Singh has given various symbols. The youth must learn to consequence of the sacrifice for building the nation. The revolutionary ideas must run through the veins of every youth of India. Friends, nowadays, though there are no need to do any kind of different revolution, but friends, everybody has to do the revolution, that everybody must do the hard work and ready for forthcoming challenges. Instead of misleading the life, the Indian youth must think about the Japanese youth who insistently determined for building the nation. The fire of the patriotism must be burned within every youth's mind and heart. No iron cups or cannon can control the youth who threw himself for rebuilding the nation. The youth is the only inspiring mantra which can rejuvenate the national fervor among the people. Youth is the only beautiful dawn which can white out the darkness of the country. As American youth leader Patrick Henry said that the life behind the bars is the priceless life for the nation. Henry also told that if any government is not working for the people, that government must be ruled out by the people. So the people are the dangerous designer, people are the designer as well as the destroyer of every government of the world. Yes friends, this is the history of all government. Bhagat Singh urged the youth, or to all of us, that India to outcome from the slumber and fight for the fundamental rights. Finally, Bhagat Singh urging every Indian youth through his poem to work for Mother India. Bhagat Singh has humbly appealed to Indian youth who is the son of Goddess Durga and fight for the freedom of nation. He was directly challenging the milk of every mother which must be on fire for redeeming the honor of Mother India. So every youth must take an oath about to drag out the country from the clutch of the unjust British rule. Bhagat Singh concluded the essay with the beautiful lines, as well as he conclude his speech. But before to conclude his speech, which lines he has used for this beautiful speech? Farewell, farewell, my true love, the army is on the move, and if I stayed with you, love, a coward I shall prove. Actually it is in English, but what is the meaning? I will explain that in Hindi also. So friends, finally Shaheed-e-Azam Sardar Bhagat Singh has concluded this speech with slogan Vande Mataram, and here the beautiful speech or essay concluded. Friends, after listening all such great thoughts, revolutionary thoughts of Bhagat Singh, every Indian was influenced, and after such speech and such writings, there are thousands of youths came on roads and they protest against British rules. Hence friends, every state from India has contributed a lot for freedom. Hence all Britishers were, friends, our fighting was against this unjust rule has been started from 1857, but it runs near about 90 years till 1947. Why we were not successful? Because we were not united against British rule. But finally, due to such speeches, all Indians united against unjust rules of Britishers, and hence the writers or the speakers like Sukhdev Thapar or Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Ashfaq Khan, or many more leaders, they have done sacrifice and awakened people for Indian freedom fighting. Hence, Bhagat Singh encouraged every Indian youth for freedom of India. He has totally affired his life for country. His patriotic fervor and sacrifice is the token for every Indian. We must learn many lessons from the life of Bhagat Singh, who hanged for the freedom of India. Your youth must keep Bhagat Singh as his or her ideal hero for building the life and nation. Bhagat Singh is the real hero or idol who sacrificed the life for Indian freedom. He's the icon for everybody who determined to fight with life challenges. Yes, friends, we have to keep Bhagat Singh as our idol, and we have to do hard work. We have to live fighting life like Bhagat Singh and make our life or turn our youthful life into paradise. So it's our duty. It's your duty now, friends, that now the ball is in your court, that you have to turn your life into paradise, and we have to take such oath for forthcoming situation. So friends, really I am thankful to everyone, and please circulate all these videos among your friends and be ready for forthcoming examination. Thank you, friends. Thank you, all.